Hi guys, welcome back to Brittany Avila. So today I'm so excited because today we're making some slime. So the ingredients you'll be needing are Elmer's glue and a plate and a mixing tool and Tye or borax, something that activates it, and not least, food coloring or paint. I'm using some paint. So let's get started. So I have my bowl here. So I'm gonna put some glue on the thing. So I'll see you when I'm done. Okay guys, I'm done. So basically I already made some clear slime. And here it is. Can't wait. Just kidding. Now I'm going to put some paint. So the paint that I'm picking is pink. So I'm going to put some pink in the thingy when I'm done. So I'm done. So now let's mix it. I don't really know how to mix it. I'm using a pencil. Yeah. So let's mix it. So I'm gonna mix it when I'm done. So I'm done. So as you can see, it's pink. So I'm gonna put some Tye and I'm gonna activate it, and then I'm gonna show you how the slime becomes. Okay guys, so I'm still activating it. Everything's very good though. Put some more Tye on it. Yeah. Still mixing it. Okay guys, so I'm done. So this is how it became. Mine is not that thick, but when I need it, it will be thick. So yeah, today's Friday. I went to school. If you saw the video of the morning, yeah, that was today in the morning. So I'm selling this slime. How long is this? I'm selling this slime for $3. Yeah. So sticky. Can't do trip. As I'm that trip. Can't do trip. I'm that trip. Can't do trip. Can't do trip. Look at mine. Mine is so glamorous. I want you to guess if I'm opening my mouth.